So what do we do?
I expected this, but it will never ever distract me.
I think this is not ordinary. Yes.
Are you in any way saying that she may have given him something to eat?
Something like that. Women of our kind can be so deadly if they decide to hold any man.
But trust me in this. If even the young man has been under the influence of anything, from that very moment the gods chose him, the charm is broken and he becomes a free man.
Are you, by any way, insinuating he is in love?
Oh yes, the young man is in love. And that ruthless thing called love is what we are up against.
Who can save the man in love? That means we have a very big mountain to climb.
Oh yes, but you see this mountain, we'll climb it. We shall surmount this mountain.
And that reminds me.
What is it?
Abawe met me yesterday. He offered me money to help him become king. Yes.
And what did you do? Did you collect the money?
I did not.
I trust you. That boy is stupid. He will never become the king of this kingdom. Not when I'm alive. He's stupid. Impossible. He cannot. He can't.
Inem, challenging those elders to their faces isn't what you should do.
They deserve what they got. Okay? They deserve what they got. They cannot come in here and insult me.
They are elders of our land. And under no circumstance should you treat them that way.
What is going on? Are you... These men came here to insult me. Are you taking sides?
I am not. All I'm saying is that they are men in council and you shouldn't be having issues.
If they are men in council, then let them face their council matters. And leave me alone. Let them allow me. Do you know what those men came here to tell me?
I know. They brought a girl for you to get married to.
Ridiculous!
Inem, listen. You have my permission. Go ahead and let us just solve this matter once and for all. Marry the girl.
Inem, listen to me. I never wanted your permission. I don't need it. Because I'm not ever going to consider that option. I'm not taking another wife.
I am just a harmless woman from Uyo. I don't want you to have issues because of me. Please.
That's how you see it, so be it. I gave you my word when I married you. When I fell in love with you, I told you that I am going to be with you and by you forever. And I am sticking to that promise.
Amen. If they kill you, would you still be alive to love me? Please, listen to me. Mbok. Inemesan mimbok. Kunam non toayen mbok bekbeye. Mbok ima. Amekup sentang. Ima mimbok. Oh. Mbok. Pangutong nomien. Amekup. Mbok.
Where is she? Why are you shouting my name like that? And why are you running as if something is after you?
Nothing is after me. Just that something against your wish is about to happen.
Eh? What is it?
Ichiogoro has taken his daughter Kemma to Chukwuka's house for introduction.
That is nonsense.
I'm telling you.
Arrant rubbish. No, he can't do that. We will not allow him do that. We will frustrate all his efforts. He can't do that and go scot-free. No.
How? So, what are you going to do now? Because you can't just sit like this and watch him, succeed.
I can't stand here now and tell you what we are going to do. I'll have to process this information you just gave me. Okay?
Whatever plans you want to come up with, that's because I can't afford to lose you becoming the queen.
My darling, thank you very much. Okay? Thank you for your goodwill. Alright? I will become the queen of this land. And I know that you and my other friends will rule this kingdom with me.
Hey. Thank you very much. I know that when you become the queen, at least then we're gonna have a don't fail. Try and come up with something. Because if you keep quiet,
I will keep quiet, don't worry.
Let me go.
Oh, one them. Oh, bye-bye. Oh.
Try and come up with one big plan.
I will. Greet your children. Oh, dalu one nemo. Hey! Ogoro kwazi. Ichie ogoro. Kam gaya. Ha? Ogoro ibu no ofe nkupu. Ibu ofe nkupu. Gi nwaka kpobere isi ke ha. I know what to do to you. I know exactly what to do to you. Tikwambang. Waka chelo.
So stop the fighting, embrace the truth. Because has spoken, so you have to conquer. Stop the fighting.
What are you doing here now?
I don't understand. What do you mean by what am I doing here? I have been calling you a line and you're not taking my calls.
My phone is not good. It developed fault, so it's not working.
I don't understand. Why do you sound as if you're not happy to see me here? I thought you should be hugging me by now.
My father won't be happy to see you here. Please, can we just enter the car? Let's go somewhere else and talk. Please.
Wait. Why won't he be happy to see me here? No, again, give me one reason why your father will not be happy to see the money man in this compound.
But there's no time for this argument. Let's just go somewhere else and talk. Please now. Please.
Okay. So, where do you want us to go?
Just drive. I will show you.
Enter inside the car. I have been calling you a line.
You have to conquer. Okwa banti monoro. Ebo listen to solo na banana. Oko konti kei. Nanoku ifeni tofi. Who can question the opinion of the gods? I onya for the kwankwa lebe.
Good afternoon, Chief.
Good afternoon, Ebu Messenger. How are you today?
I'm fine, Chief. Thank you.
There are some individuals I want you to go and fetch for me. Ishia Ogoro, Ishia Mbono, Ishia Zakama, and the Chukwuka. I believe you know how to locate them?
Yes, I know how to locate them, Chief.
Let them know that the meeting I speak of must hold today, so they have to make themselves available.
All right, Chief. I'll do as you said. Thank you, Chief. I'll give right to this.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Robert, I don't know how you're going to see this, but that's exactly the truth.
You are not saying anything.
Well, I've been choosing to serve the deity of our land.
What?
Yes. I know you're going to be shocked.
Of course.
I was shocked the day I was informed. I pleaded with them to give it to someone else, but they said no. That is something I was born with.
My love, we can still marry. I will allow you to serve the deity of your people.
Anyone who is chosen by the gods cannot marry. Yes.
It is not true.
I have no reason to lie to you. I've given up already.
My love, that means throwing away everything we shared.
Exactly what it is.
But my love, we can't run far away to a place where no one will see us.
It is not possible.
My love, it is very much possible. Let us run away from where nobody will see us, including the gods. We'll just settle down there. Nobody will. We'll just go there and settle down and all this will end.
Robert, the eyes of the gods are everywhere. They will certainly fish us out. There's nothing you or I can do about this.
My love, listen.
Yes.
Listen, let me tell you something. The eyes of the gods are not in Dubai. The eyes of the gods are not in Thailand or USA or even Australia. Let us run far away to a place where none of them will even... My love, let us run far away where they will not even see us. We will settle down there and all these things will end. Please.
Robert, you are not getting a thing here. There's nothing you or I could do about it. Their eyes are everywhere. Okay. You're talking about the deity of our land.
Okay. So, what do you want me to do now, my love?
Exactly what I've been asking myself. Where do I go from here?
Sweetheart, you know that I love you. I can't afford to lose you because of the eyes of the gods now. I can't leave my woman for the gods now. What's the meaning of all this gods? Because is it the god that's going to enjoy this?
Robert!
My love.
Good afternoon, respected elders of our land.
Good afternoon, young man.
Chimbonu, I am actually on my way to your house.
Is there any problem?
Chiobidike asked me to inform you and the Ichioglu that he will be having a meeting with you in his house later this evening.
That's okay. Tell him we'll be there.
I will send him your response.
Thank you. Hold on. Do you have any idea why he wants to see us?
He didn't tell me. Thank
That's
you.
all right.
Thank
Just tell him we'll be there.
Thank you, yes.
Thank you.
Can you figure out why he wants to see us?
No.
I'm thinking it's because of the way, our moves. Maybe he's becoming suspicious of that.
Don't let us just conclude yet until we see him.
Chief Obidike is a man of many sides. Before going there to engage him one-on-one, I think it is very proper we rub minds to avoid being thrown off balance when we get there.
You have a point there. Let us go to my house to strategize.
Exactly what I wanted to say.
Nobody can question. You have to conquer. Okwakwa panti monoro. Ebo listen to solo na banana. Oko kontike. Nanoku ifeni tofi. Who can question the opinion of the gods? I onya for the kwankwa de beo. Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you pushing so hard? Why the desperation, no? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? So stop the fighting, and embrace the truth. The gods have spoken.
Am I sure I'm doing the right thing? What if this didn't work? How am I going to reconnect with Robert? This is becoming complex. I just have to be precise before I make the mistake of my life. The man in question just said he's not going to take in a second wife. What do I do? What?
The opinion of the gods.
So why did you request to see me?
I am sure you are aware that Chukwuka has declined the offer to become king.
Yes, I'm aware.
Good. I need you to support me to become king.
I thought you have something important to say. Is this why you're here?
My guy, calm down. I mean, think of the benefits. Think of what you stand to gain if me, your guy, becomes the king.
The gods have chosen Chukwuka, and they will not let him walk away from it.
Well, obviously you didn't understand what I said earlier.
I heard you clearly, Abanwe. But I'll also tell you that the gods will not allow him to walk away from what they place on his shoulders.
Odilibe, will you ever support me for once? Come on, I'm your friend. And I expect you to give me all the support I want.
If you're on the right path, why wouldn't I support you?
Come on, why are you trying to make it look like I'm the bad person here? I mean, the gods chose Chukwuka, yes, and he declined. And here I am, soliciting for your support. I mean, offering myself for the service of the throne.
Abongwe, the gods did not choose you, and they will never choose you. I will advise you once again as my good friend to perish the thoughts of becoming the king. It will not happen. Not when Chukwuka is still alive.
Fine. I will get him out of the way and install myself on the throne. Oh yes.
By the gods, why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you pushing so hard? Why the desperation? No. Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? So stop the fighting, stop the fighting, and embrace the truth. The gods have spoken, so you have to conquer. Stop the fighting, and embrace the truth. The choice of the gods, nobody can question. You have to conquer. Okwakwa banti monoro, ebo listen to solo na banana. Oko kontike, na no kifeni tofi. Who can question the opinion?
Good afternoon.
My name is Robert. Please, I want to clarify something from you.
Are you from this village?
No, I'm not from this village.
Okay, go ahead.
Good. There is this girl I want to marry. Okay. She's from this village. Okay. Just today, she told me that she has been called into the service of the gods of this community. Therefore, she is not going to marry me again.
Service of the gods?
Yes.
My dear, we do not practice anything like that in this community, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you sure about this?
Am I sure? I am a daughter of the soil, called daughter Nwafo Oyembo. And I know Ezira Kingdom very, very well. We do not practice such thing. I think she's hiding something from you, so go back and find out whatever it is she's hiding from you.
Thank you so much.
Wait, who is this girl you're talking about?
Her name is Ekemma. Her father's name is Ogro.
Hey!
What is it? Do you know her?
Kwa nihe mama mfu biko no. Nna. Nde erigo kwago. Ha tinyere gi straw n'isi mia gi chom chom chom. What kind of lie is this now? Hi! My dear, Ekemma left the city just with the sole aim of becoming the queen of this kingdom. That is the truth.
No. My Ekemma cannot descend that door.
I am telling you that she wants to get married to a man who is already married, just so she can become the queen of this kingdom. That's all. My dear, go and find out for yourself. In fact, tell her I told you. Tell her I'm the one that told you. You know what? Here you go, what this guy, yo. Tell her I told you. When you don't want that, koja. Can you imagine? Look at him, young man with very good prospects. When there are other beautiful girls out there, why not to biko? Hi, mananda na say go. Was no service of the gods. Service of the gods.
You know, a lot of people complain that the state of the nation is in disarray, and that the present leadership we have is not one that the people voted for. So you have those sentiments flying around. But I'm of the opinion that even if the new administration agrees to be selfless, you know, and create policies that enables other sectors grow, I think Nigeria can begin to take shape.
Yeah, right.
Well. How
you doing, my brother?
Welcome.
Hey, buddy.
Udo?
Welcome, sir.
You meet us well.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome.
Why, Oma? How are you?
I'm fine.
I can see you. I really taking good care of you.
Hope all is good.
Yes, all is well. I just want to have some discussions with you.
Inem, let me excuse you both. Sit down.
Thank you.
Join me. It means sweetness.
Really?
Sweetness, yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Nobody go my My brother.
Yes.
I came to ask you. I heard you declined the offer to become king.
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because I do not want to marry a second wife. I cannot deal with the troubles that, comes with polygamy.
Is that what you want?
Yes, I thought long and hard about it, and that's what I want. That's what we want, and I'm not going back on that decision.
Okay, since you don't want, can you recommend me to be king?
I wish I could, but I cannot.
Listen. Why?
Because kings do not emerge by the recommendation of men in our Israel. Only the gods can choose when they want to choose a king.
Chukwuka, I totally understand what you just explained. But you can still recommend me. Since you don't want it, I want it. We are friends. I mean, you can tell the elders, let's give it to my friends, since obviously you're not interested.
But you're asking for the same thing in a different language. You telling me to ask the elders on your behalf is like you asking that I recommend you to the elders. Don't you think so? Okay. Peradventure, the gods choose me. Are you assuring me of your unalloyed support? I mean, you will stand by me. Abamwe, if the gods choose you to become the king of this kingdom, you do not need any kind of support from anyone. All I can do is pray that you lead us well as king.
Why did you come back now? Why? Hey, why did you come back?
Ekemma, you lied to me. Huh?
How do you mean?
Ekemma, the gods didn't choose you to serve them.
They did.
They didn't. In fact, choosing a woman into the service of the gods is not practiced in the kingdom.
That was in the past. It's a new tradition. So I was chosen by the gods. So what? I don't know what you're talking about.
I am so disappointed in you.
Robert, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Of course. I am so disappointed in you. Ekemma, how could you descend so low to the level of wishing to become a second wife simply because you want to be the queen? Eh?
Who told you that?
Oh, you think I will not find out? Eh? After everything I did for you, and you feel this is the only way to pay me back?
No. I can explain, baby, please.
You are very, very useless. Come on, get out, my friend.
I can explain.
You can keep your useless explanation to yourself.
Hey.
I am so
please, let me explain.
You are very, very stupid. Come on, leave here, my friend.
Please now. Robert, baby, please now. Please. I can explain now. Please, just a second. Let me explain everything.
You are a very stupid woman.
Please now.
If you don't, come on, leave here, my friend.
Now.
If you don't leave here, I am going to jump you now.
Baby, please now. Baby, please, let me explain, please. Baby, wait.
What did he come here to do?
You would not believe that man came here to beg me. He wants me to recommend him to the elders as the next king of this kingdom.
And what did you say to him?
I told him that kings of Ezira do not emerge by recommendation.
Oh, goodness. If I knew that was what he came here to do, I would have given him the embarrassment of his life.
That would have
What's
been
that?
necessary. It's okay. Talk about desperation.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Yes.
This young man here to see you.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes. How are you?
I'm all right. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Chief Obidike requests you come to his house in the evening later for a meeting.
Today?
Yes, today.
That's fine. Let him know that I'll be there.
He will get your response. Thank you.
So, Inem,
Yes, baby.
you mean he actually came here to say that?
Everyone wants to be king.
Ha!
Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you pushing so hard? Why the desperation, no? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? So stop the fighting, and embrace the truth. The gods have spoken. So you have to conquer. Stop the fighting. And embrace the truth. The choice of the gods. Nobody can question. You have to conquer. Okwa banti monora. Ebo listen to solo na banana. Oko konti kei. Namoki fenigo.
You look unhappy.
Papa, how can I be happy? A lot is going on in my mind right now. Yes.
And what is that?
Chubuka said he's no longer interested in being the king. Papa, you know if that happens, I will be the loser.
He must be joking. He must be joking.
The young man I saw doesn't look like someone who is joking. Yes. I mean, he spoke from the depth of his heart.
My daughter, Chukwuka has been chosen by the gods. He must rule over his people with you as the queen of his kingdom.
Papa, are you sure?
Oh, very sure. If I am not sure, I wouldn't be saying it. So relax your mind.
What is it? Why you shout my name like that? What's the problem?
Now stop fooling yourself because my husband will definitely become king.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You classless woman from Uyo. Wake up from your dream and stop dreaming.
I am not dreaming. I have seen it and it must happen.
It must happen in Uyo, not in my kingdom.
Why are you so desperate to become king?
Fine. I will lecture you. For so long, for quite a long time, my people have been deluded of good leadership and quality leadership. And I am the right person that will give them what they deserve. That is why I want to be the king.
The gods chose my husband, not you. The earlier you understand and appreciate that, the better.
Your husband knows that he will never be king. That is why he denounced the pronouncement of the gods.
Even if my husband doesn't become king, you will never be king.
Really? Okay, let's play it this way. What is it you value so much in your life? Stake it and watch yourself lose it for the rest of your life.
A gambler will always talk like a gambler.
Okay.
I will not stoop to your level and bet anything with you. But be guided.
No, I should be punishing myself. How did I even get into this classless discussion with this classless fool? I should be punishing myself for having this classless discussion. I bet. And even the way she's even bastardizing my name.
I welcome you all once again to this very important meeting. I would have called for this meeting a long time ago, but I decided to wait so that all of us, all the people who are doing all the things they were doing, I wanted them to explore all their alternatives and all their options. Now, I have brought us here because I believe the time has come for us to discuss like brothers.
Chihobidige, honestly, you have not said anything.
Of course, we all know we are brothers. There is no point gathering us just to remind us about our brotherhood.
Well, I called this meeting because I want us to discuss the ritual of Okukundi this year.
Oh. The same thing you all have been hiding from me. So why are we discussing it right now?
She has become the wife of Abanwe. I'm going to ignore you because we are here for a serious business. The ritual of Okukundi this year is an important ritual in this kingdom. Apart from the segment that says that every male child born into every family must be presented to that Okuku, there is the second option, the second segment that has got to do with a woman that is married into this kingdom from another kingdom or from another tribe, that she equally can be presented by her husband to that same Okuku, where she will be required to make some pronouncements and go into some oath. When that happens, all the rights and the privileges of the daughters of this land, all of them, must be bequeathed on that woman.
How come I have not heard about this before? Why am I hearing it now?
Well, you are hearing them now because there is always the first time. That's why you are... because there's always the first time. Apart from all other things that she's going to say, she's going to pick the sacred sand of Israel and make very specific pronouncements. She's going to say that if war will break between our people and her people, that she is going to fight against her people on behalf of our people. She is going to enter an oath and say that she will never ever divulge any secret of this kingdom to any other kingdom. If any woman married by any son of this land into this kingdom will enter into this oath, she automatically becomes a daughter of the soil. You know, our ancestors had a reason to create this because they never wanted to limit our sons. They knew that any of our sons can actually travel to other kingdoms, and there is the chance that he will fall in love. And when it happens, and he falls in love, any woman he marries will be able to take this oath, and the woman will become a complete daughter of the soil.
No, whatever. Chief Obidike, what exactly are you saying?
Conspiracy.
What is the relevance of this unsolicited education?
Well, what I am...
And why is he coming now?
No. What I'm trying to let us understand is that Chukwuka here has no reason whatsoever to take a second wife because he has a wife already. All he has to do is to present that wife of his before the Okuku this year. If she will take the oath laid down by our ancestors, she becomes a daughter of the soil. Just as simple as that.
You lie, Chief. You are making this up. Yes, he's obviously making this up, Obi. This is an attempt to take what rightfully belongs to the women of this kingdom.
See, Azakam, you have to be very watchful of the things you say. Don't say anything that will make the gods angry. You are not going to like how it will end.
Thank you very much, my elders. I must say that this meeting has been quite insightful. And I would like to add that I'll be happy to bring my wife so that the sacrifice can be carried out and she can take the oath.
Never. Never. It will not happen. Never. She can't take what belongs to us.
Yes, I can be very careful.
No one can stop me. She's the chosen queen of Azira kingdom. Chosen by the gods. No one can stop me.
I don't believe in all the nonsenses Chief Obidike said.
But that is the truth. I never thought of the Okuku Indi Iche in that direction. Yes.
So are you now saying that we should fold our arms and watch a strange woman, somebody from a different land entirely, to become the queen of our kingdom?
At this point, there is little or nothing that we can do, except you have another plan.
My head is full right now. But I will surely think of something out and get back to you.
It's all right. I shall be waiting.
Oh, thank you very much. I am very grateful to you for always being there with me. Definitely, once my daughter becomes the queen of Izira Kingdom, I will recommend you for the position of Olowu.
I know what you are capable of doing. No problem. We are in this all together.
Thank you very much. My gratitude once again.
She's the chosen queen of Izira Kingdom. I am chosen by...
See, sister, if you ask me, I would say you should stop discouraging your husband. It is possible this is your destiny, so just allow things play out on its own.
You think so?
Sister, I feel so. Just allow things play out on its own, okay?
My love.
Good afternoon.
Why are you this excited?
Because we have finally come to a place where we can say, yes, we made it.
I don't understand.
I am going to be king of Izira Kingdom. And you, my darling wife, will be my queen.
But I thought your tradition forbids a woman who is not of this tribe from becoming queen in your kingdom.
There is also a clause in that tradition that allows a daughter from another town to become a daughter of the soil and enjoy all the privileges that a daughter of the soil should enjoy, provided that certain rites are carried out, which I know will not be a problem for you.
Who told you this?
Chief Obidike.
Uncle, if that is true, then we should celebrate.
Yeah, get a drink.
At once.
Ah, baby. Our time has come. I told you that I am going to be the king of this kingdom, and you, my beautiful wife, will be my queen. I love you, this woman. Our dreams are coming true.
I love you too, so much.
I would stand by you until I leave this earth.
Thank you.
I'll be your shield. I'll guide, guard, and protect you. Inem, you are my life.
I love you.
Thank you. Congratulations to us.
Listen, Abama, you see, your biggest setback in life is that you cannot kill a man like me. The earlier you understand that, the better for you. Whatever you are planning will not work. Then for the records, I'm telling you that I'm not planning anything. If you feel that what I said is not right, you are free to go to the chief priest and he will say the same thing to you.
I don't have that time. Now listen to me. Go back to Chukwuka and make him understand that he can never be king. That I, Abangwe, I am the chosen one.
You know, the mere fact that I do not flare up when provoked should not be a reason people like you should be undermining my personality. Be very careful what you say before me, before you speak yourself into trouble.
You think I'm joking with you? No, you think I am joking with you? Now read my lips. You have only today, 24 hours, to go back to Chukwuka and tell him that I am the chosen one. I'll be watching you. You're doing well.
DNA bụ ife ga solve problem ahụ. Ọ bụ na eme nwa DNA, it will be very clear that Okeke Abana of blessed memory Abraham nwa. Ọ bụ onye ala ala diva.
Sister. Edikan. Victory at last.
Victory at last. Victory at last.
Sister, say I can't wait to see you become the queen of this great kingdom.
She will look so regal.
I never knew this
would become a reality.
What is it? You know?
Sister, why now?
I'll get it.
Stop it now. This is a thing of joy.
It's okay. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. I know. I know. I know it was quite a battle, but
we will not allow that. Yes. What happened? Where are they? Come out here! Come out! Enough is enough. Come out. Can you imagine? Enough is enough. Yes.
What is this?
We, the women of this kingdom, will not allow your wife to be queen.
Yes.
We will not allow her to be queen. It is an abomination in this land. Yes.
Charles, come. You, your husband, and your cohorts are all fighting a lost battle. You need to understand it. The gods have chosen, and you all must respect it.
Never. Oh, wait. You think we do not know that you bribed your way through? Huh? Yes. Doling out money to Chief Obidike to make him say things that he is not even sure of.
Now you are beginning to speak the abominable. Shiaza, come. Get out of my house. Right now.
Don't worry. We will leave. But let it be registered that this thing will never be queen.
Yes.
We will fight.
Yes.
We will resist her with everything that we have.
Yes.
Now listen. If I were you, I will leave this village ASAP. Because you cannot even contend with what is coming.
Yes.
Chazo. You can rant all you want. You can spit fire all you want. But threatening my wife, I will not take. Shazokam, I have had just about enough of your nonsense. Get out of my house right now.
Oh God, please. Save your gragra for somebody else. She has our message and that is the most important thing.
Yes.
We have our eyes on you. Let's go.
Don't worry.
Amen, please. It's okay. Amen, please. 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 Papa, it is time to face reality right now. I mean, it is game over for me. What's all this now?
If my head is still on my neck and I have my brain in my head, I still remember that the last time we discussed about this, I told you I will handle it.
Of course you said so. Good. But my question to you right now, Papa, is have you been able to take care of the situation? Huh?
I am on top of the situation. And let me tell you, Shukuka will come back to you, begging you to marry him.
Papa, you're giving me false hope, and I don't like it. Papa, I do not like it though.
And what you are saying is equally what I don't like. Just listen to yourself. It appears you don't know what your father, Ogoro, is capable of.
Of course. I know what my father is capable of doing.
Good.
But right now, it's as if this particular one is slipping off your hands so rapidly. So what do we do? Yes.
This is Ogoro. I speak positive language, not probability. And you just use language of probability. If. I'm sure it is going to work, and that is what I have told you. And I repeated that it is going to work. So there's nothing like if.
Then I ask you again, Papa. Okay. What if at the end of the day, it didn't work? And I'm asking you again.
My daughter, and I repeat, there's no doubt. Nothing like if. it is going to work. So relax your mind.
My darling, so the process that would make you eligible to become queen after my coronation as king is called Yokuku Ndichie.
Okay, so what does that entail?
I am going to take you to the chief priest where you're going to swear an oath that you now fully belong to the people of Ezira Kingdom.
But I already belong to Ezira Kingdom by marriage.
Yes, we know, but they want to know where your loyalty lies.
My loyalty lies first with my husband. Secondly, to his people. And thirdly, to the people of Ezira Kingdom.
Body, spirit, soul to soul. I believe you. And I know. But you see, these words are words that the elders want to hear you speak.
That would not be a problem, my darling husband.
You just know how to make me proud of you. And I am going to cherish you for the rest of my life.
I should be the one saying those words to you.
Thank you for being so cooperative.
Thank you for making life fun and beautiful with you.
Thank you for making it easy.
Thank you for all you do.
I love you.
I love you right back, baby.
She's the chosen queen of Ezira Kingdom. I am, hey, I am. No one can stop me. I am. She's the chosen queen of Ezira Kingdom. I am chosen by the gods. I am. No one can stop me. I am. Oh, I am. Ayo. I am. Ayo.
You already know what to do. And you must grant our request.
I wouldn't know what you want if you do not tell me what it is.
Just look at you. Mba, you don't even look like us.
Whoa.
You don't smell like us. You don't even talk. What am I saying? You can't speak our language. Listen, leave this village. Are you hearing me? Leave this village and never look back.
I am married to a son of the soil. I can't leave my husband.
Shut up! Just shut up! I believe you heard the message. Because our eyes are on you. You have only 3 days to leave this community. Or be prepared to take whatever you say.
Nonsense. Enoria, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Listen, no matter what you do, Imerenu, Imerana, I must become the queen of Ezira Kingdom.
Let's go.
She's the chosen queen of Ezira Kingdom. I am chosen by the gods. I am. No one can stop me. I am. Oh, I am. Ayo. I am. Ayo. I am. Ayo.
With what we know about Okukundichi, the last nail has been put on your ambition of becoming the king of Ezira.
I am Abanwe, the son of Okekabana of Ezira. No living soul can put a nail on my ambition. Talk less of a fool putting the last nail on my ambition. It will not happen.
Chief Obidike was the one who spoke. I hope you remember.
And so?
As far as I'm concerned, what Obedike has said makes no meaning to me.
But he made an important revelation.
Which is? No, listen to the nonsense he was saying now. Is it not obvious he was paid? Oh yes, he has collected bribe to talk those nonsense. And I don't believe in them. They don't make any sense to me.
Abonwe, Chief Obedike is an honorable man in this community, which you can attest to. You know very well. He is exactly what you call incorruptible judge.
Absolutely. So I used to believe. So I was thinking, but of late, his character, his behavior, his attitude prove otherwise. Yes. He has started playing hanky-panky. You know, collect small thing here, talk one nonsense there, talk another thing there, talking from two sides of his mouth. That is not how an honorable person behaves.
Why are you always at loggerhead with people who do not say yes to you?
There you go wrong. And I'll have to correct you. The land of Ezra has culture and tradition. And our tradition says that no woman who is not of this land can ascend the throne of Ezra kingdom as a queen. It is our tradition.
But we had the provision our forefathers made through Okukundiche.
You are gradually playing into their political hands. Have you bothered to ask yourself some questions? Why is this Okukundiche coming up now? I mean, why is it erupting now? And why is it favoring something that is against our culture and tradition?
Okukundiche has been there right from time.
So?
Yes. It is just that we've not had any event or issue that referred us to it.
Now listen, let me tell you my stand. And I stand here strongly. I do not believe in that nonsense story he told about the Okukundiche or Okukundi Allah rubbish. I don't believe in it. And this throne belongs to me. It is my time. It is my turn. And I'm stopping at nothing until I ascend that throne.
Abanwe.
That's my name.
You're headed to the path of destruction. And I advise you retrace your step.
Unfortunately, I am not retracing my steps. And I'm not headed in any path of destruction. I'm on the right track, following the right thing, observing and respecting the culture and tradition of my land. And I tell you, I will stop at nothing. I mean, nothing will stop me.
Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you pushing so hard? Why the desperation, no? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? So stop the fighting, and embrace that.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Madam. And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm actually on my way to your house.
I hope there is no problem.
No, there's no problem. It's just that I'm seeking for clarifications from you. That's all.
Clarification? How do you mean?
Ichie, I believe you know everything that is happening concerning the queenship of this kingdom.
I do.
So, what do you think?
I still don't understand what you're trying to say.
Okay. Ichie, what I'm trying to say is, do you think I stand a chance of becoming the next queen of this kingdom?
To be honest with you, you don't.
Ichie, why did you say so?
I said so because the last clarification from Chief Obedike has nailed everything. It has cleared all doubts, and the path to the throne is now even clearer. Those who think they will become queen and kings as against the wish of the gods are only doing so at their own peril.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate this wonderful revelation. Thank you.
You're welcome. And do take care of yourself.
Desperation, no. Why are you fighting someone chosen by the God? So stop the fighting. Stop the fighting. Embrace the truth. Stop the God.
What? Did they touch you?
Inem, calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. Just tell me, did they touch you?
Inem, this is why I did not want to tell you what happened. Please, because I only
You're
told you.
upsetting me right now. Inem, did they touch you? Did anyone as much as touch you?
No, they did not, but they would have if I had talked back at them. Plus, they asked me to leave the kingdom, else they would throw me out.
That is unacceptable. That is unacceptable. You belong here. That is unacceptable.
Sister, you shouldn't have told him.
He's my husband. He deserves to know.
You're right, but this may just cause further problems.
See, I understand exactly what you mean. But it was a direct threat to my life, so I shouldn't overlook it.
See, sister, I know Brother Chukuma so well. He might just react differently and then make problems out of this.
I'll make sure this ends here. He won't blow it out of proportion.
I just hope so.
Ask him now. Eh? Let me go and get water for him to drink.
Please do.
Okay, just stop.
What is this? You are going to warn your wife. You are going to tell your wife to stay away from my wife. Is that why you banged into my house like a mad dog? You call me a dog, of course. A mad one at that. Xiaowangwei, I am going to show you what a mad dog can do. You're very stupid. You think you can buy your way through? I mean, think you can bribe your way through? Let me tell you, you have failed. Because I will put you where you belong. Xiaowangwei, I am not a desperate scum like you. I did not bribe my way through. The gods chose me to become king. And there's nothing like that you or your wife can do about it. Now let me tell you something. If you ever make any silly mistake of coming anywhere close to my wife, I will make it clear to you that nobody has monopoly of violence in the village. I am going to make it clear to your wife. Touch her!
You cannot.
She has not come. Stay away from my wife.
You can't do anything. Who do you think you are? To barge into the house of an Odogu like this? To spew nonsense? Tell your wife that she must leave this village. What am I even saying? In fact, she needs to run with her 2 legs hitting her head. She can never be king over us. Never! Rubbish.
Nolano would leave this village. Yes. I am going to have you and your husband in the box before that happens. The next time your wife harasses my wife, I am going to cut her into pieces.
Why would he ask me to give him water and he leaves?
See, sister, I am seriously praying this has not escalated.
Chukwuka, why is Chukwuka doing this? I am ready to accept the second wife. I have already prepared my mind that this is my fate. You should just understand my position and stop.
Sister, he believes he can pull it through. Please, can we just decide here and now to kill our faithlessness and agree to do this too?
Our faithlessness?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Tell these people, tell them, I will take anything, but not them insulting my wife, threatening my wife. I will not take it. Odilibe, tell them.
Honestly, you are not making sense.
I'm not making sense.
As the chosen king, you should not be exhibiting such level of anger on your people.
I don't care! Odilibe, wear my shoes before you judge me.
Can you please?
Tell Xiaowangwei that he's biting more than he can chew. Tell him and his wife to stay away from my wife. They can insult me. It's okay, I can take it. But no one should threaten or insult my wife because she's not from this place. I don't like it. I don't like it. Everyone cannot come from Ezira. Tell those small-minded idiots to stay away from my wife.
Can you please calm down and tell me what happened?
Chiazokam and her co-travelers besieged my wife and told her to leave this town, else they would have no other option than to force her out. Can you imagine that? What gives them the right to talk to her like that? What rights do they have to issue such warning? What? Tell me.
In all honesty, they are totally wrong. They don't have the right, they don't have the power.
These people are driving me crazy.
No, but that shouldn't put you in this condition.
These people are driving me crazy. Odilibe, talk to them. They are driving me crazy. No one should blame me. No one should blame me if I act out of character. They are driving me crazy.
It's okay, Chukwuka. Just go home, shower, and catch some sleep. Trust me, I'm going to speak to them.
Speak to them and tell them that if they continue this way, I am going to treat them like we're not from the same place.
Calm down. Just calm down.
Okay, Papa. Where are you going?
Papa, I'm going back to the city.
Going back to the city?
Yes, Papa.
That cannot be true. We are having a project in our hands. A project that is ongoing, and I have promised you severally that it must come to reality.
Papa, there is no need for us to be deceiving ourselves. The gods have made their choice, and there's nothing you or I can do about it. Nobody can change it.
Yes, it is true that the gods have made a choice. But it is restricted to the king. It is in our hands to choose the queen.
Papa, why is it so difficult for you to understand that I am done with all of this? I mean, it is game over for me.
Oh, why are you sounding like this, my daughter? I'm doing something on it which must favor you at the end of the day.
I'm sorry, Papa. I am no longer interested in being the queen. After the revelation of Mr. Obidike, your ancestors has provided for women married outside this kingdom to be the queen. So, Papa, let me just go. I am no longer interested.
Oh, come on. Why do you get swayed by a deadly politician? He only made it up for you to lose hope. I am disappointed that you played into his hands.
Papa.
Yes?
I think we are done talking about this. Right now, I am leaving for the city. And don't try pressing it because I cannot change my mind. Yes. Papa, take care of it.
There must be a way out.
I went to warn Chiazokam to take her eyes off you. I told her to take her eyes off you. Listen, they can insult me all they want, okay? But any kind of insult on my wife will not be tolerated. I told them. I made it very clear.
But I am not complaining about their insults.
You don't have to complain for me to know that these women are pushing you to the wall. I have my ears to the ground. I can see things for myself. No woman married into a zero should be made uncomfortable by anyone at all. And when the woman in question becomes my wife, I will not take it. It will not happen ever again.
Sister, stop. You don't need to tell him anything. He's doing all of this because of you.
And I am not okay with it. They may conspire and kill him. See, I am not insisting on being the queen. All I want is just to have my husband in one piece. Is that too much to ask?
If it is the design of the gods that you will become the queen, their resistance cannot stop that from happening. Sister, Ayafo, just put yourself together, okay?
Idara, step in there and stand upon the Enzu. The oath you are about to take will either mar you or make you. It will mar you if you go back on the promises, and it will make you if you keep to the agreement.
Great one. It has already been explained to me and I understand it perfectly well.
Good. You are standing barefooted on the land of Ezira Kingdom, about to enter into an oath with Ajani, the Mother Earth. The ancient sacred land of Ezira Kingdom, the Ajani itself. Repeat after me. With my life, I will become part and parcel of Ezira land.
With my life, I will become part and parcel of Ezira land.
I will stand by Ezira.
I will stand by Ezira.
In bad and good conditions.
In bad and good conditions.
I will defend Ezira with all that I have.
I will defend Ezira with all that I have.
If war breaks out between my kingdom and Ezira.
If war breaks out between my kingdom and Ezira.
I will rise and pick arms.
I will rise and pick arms.
To defend Ezira.
To defend Ezira.
Because Ezira is my home all the days of my life.
Because Ezira is my home all the days of my life.
On no condition, on no account.
On no condition, on no account.
Will I ever give information?
Will I ever give information?
That will be detrimental to Ezira.
That will be detrimental to Ezira.
Any day I do so.
Any day I do so.
May that day be my last day on this earth.
May that day be my last day on this earth.
Congratulations, for you are now daughter of Ezira's soil. Every right, benefits, according to the daughter of the soil, Ezira's soil, are now yours.
She is the chosen queen of Ezira Kingdom. I am, hey, I am, no one can stop me. I am. The chosen queen of the Ezira Kingdom. I am chosen by the gods. I am no one can stop me. I am. Oh, I am. Oh, I am. Ayo. I am. Ayo. I am. Ayo. Oh, I am. Behold your queen, chosen by the gods, ordained by the gods. So whether you like her, whether you know like her,
I am okay.
Let's go down to business. I have a job for you If you deliver perfectly, I'll pay you 100,000 naira.
Tell me what you want me to do for you. My boys and I will deliver.
You will go to Chukwuka's house. When you get there, go straight to his wardrobe. You will see the wand of Anunuebe. Bring it to me.
Is that all?
Absolutely.
Consider it done.
I'll be waiting.
Ishi Oguru. Adishi Mbono. Having settled all controversies, I am thinking that the ideal thing for us to do now is to proceed with the coronation.
Oh, yes. So, when do you think will be better?
We are going to stick to the original plan. Coronate him the king of Israel kingdom on a Kuku market day, so that his wife, who will become queen that same day, will proceed to the sacred place to pray for the women of Israel that same day.
The current queen has to be informed. She has to give her consent before this new queen can step into the sacred arena.
Well, Shiambono, I can tell you that we don't need her approval for anything. Oh yes, what we need is to brief her on what is being planned. And I volunteer to go to her and tell her that this is what we have planned. That's it.
Obidike, as we have started resolving the controversies, let us resolve it finally, totally. Because that woman is the one who has been doing this.
Chimbon, is there a problem? What is the issue?
The problem is not much. We have secured the consent of the chief priest. We equally need to get the consent of the current queen.
That is not a problem. I can approach her. She has always been a very nice and supportive woman, so I can go to her personally and, intimate her on our plans.
Well, I told them already that we don't need her consent to proceed with this. What we need is to brief her on what we are doing. And I have already volunteered that I will go to her, brief her on what we are planning. I said that already. Can we concentrate on this coronation and stop overheating this kingdom unnecessarily? Can we do that, man? Please?
Stop, please. What do you want?
One more word from you, and I'll cut off.
Stop, sorry.
Take us to your in-laws bedroom now. Where is that? Where?
This way.
You know you're my very good friend.
What is it?
That is why I brought you here, so that nobody will hear us. I want Idara out of the way, so that I can stand a better chance of becoming the next queen.
Hey! You're panicking. Makantonto Idara. Take care of her now. It's very simple.
But I need a strong Dibia. A strong Dibia who can help me. Something.
Are you sure you need a Dibia? Okay, I will help you. I have a strong Dibia. And if you don't mind, I can direct you to his place.
Hey, are you sure his charms are very potent?
He has been the one taking care of my spiritual work now.
Please.
Is this you? I am.
Are you sure this is you?
Robert, thank you for at least coming finally. Can we please go inside and talk, please?
Say whatever you want to say here. I have a limited time, and you know about it.
It's okay. Robert, believe me, so many things were involved in this. I was overwhelmed. If you were to be in my shoes, you would have done the same thing. I am sorry. I promise you it will not happen again. Believe me.
For sure, it will not happen again. And that is why I have ended the relationship. Yes.
But please, you can't do this to me, please.
Don't touch me.
Robert, please, you cannot do this to me. I am sorry. See, I have learnt my lesson and I'm ready to make amends.
You are back to the city, saying all this because you are planning on getting married to your so-called choosing king didn't work out. Had it been it worked out the way you planned, would you have been here begging?
Robert, can we forget about all this? It's in the past now. You know I love you. We've come a long way. You can't do this to me right now. Please. I'm sorry.
Ekemma, you killed it all when you started considering the offer to marry the king. You stopped taking my calls, remember? Ekemma, you lied to me that your phone was bad, simply to justify your action. Anyways, I decided to give you this message directly, so we don't have a reason to be going back and forth. It is over between both of us, and there is nothing anyone can do about it.
Please.
Don't touch me.
Robert,
I
please.
said you should not touch me, remember?
Robert, please. Robert.
Leave this car now.
Robert, please don't do... Robert. Ah, God, what have I landed myself into? Robert.
Don't call my number again.
Robert, please.
So tell me, if Robert were to be your brother, will you encourage him to continue marriage plans with a woman who could do the things you did?
Where is this coming from?
Come on, Ekema, stop pretending as if you don't know what I am talking about. Babes, you messed up big time. And you know you can't win Robert back.
Jessica, see. Please, can you help me talk to Robert? I know he listens to you. Please, just help me talk to him.
Too late, babes. Yeah, because Robert is getting married to Oluchi this Saturday.
What?
Yeah. I am pretty sure he blocked you. That is why you didn't see their engagement update. Here is it.
God!
Babes, you frustrated this dude. You pushed him to the wall. So he had no choice than to move on with Oluchi just to be happy.
I understand, but you can still help me talk to him, please.
A date is fixed already.
You just said it.
Come on, babes, let's go inside. It's fine. Let's go.
What's wrong? Uncle, killers were here.
What? Killers were here?
Yes. What did they want? I don't know. They only forced me into your room and then they searched everywhere.
The wand? It must be the wand of Anunuebe.
What do they want to do with
I don't know.
But what? Oh, sister. Did they touch you? Sister, they did not touch me, but they scared the living daylight out of me.
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay.
Fighting someone chosen by the God. So stop the fighting. Stop the fighting. Embrace the truth. The gods have spoken. So you have to conquer. Stop the fighting. Stop the fighting. And embrace the truth. The choice of the...
I sent you boys to go and get me the wand of Anunuebe that was given to that fool in error. And you're here telling me crap.
We searched everywhere in the wardrobe. In fact, everywhere in that room. We couldn't find their neighbor.
We even went further and searched other rooms. We didn't find the wand of Anunebe.
You did not search well.
That stuff is not in that house.
I put it to you that that stuff is in that house. I can swear on anything.
Okay. Do you have another place in mind where we can go search for the stuff?
Search no more. There's no point searching further.
Do you want to throw away your ambition of becoming king away like that?
Men like me do not give up very easily. In fact, we don't give up at all.
Then what is the next option?
Kill him.
Kill him?
Is that what you really want?
Do I look like I have water in my mouth?
Consider it done.
Fine.
As a matter of fact, he will be a dead man this night.
Exactly what I want to hear. And now listen. You have to do a neat job. I don't want traces. If you fail me this time, if you fail, read my lips. Your lives will go in for it.
If you recall what the men of Ezira did to your husband, you will agree with me that you don't owe them anything. Even the gods were angry that they did not give us a king for 16 solid years.
But finally a king has been named. And from what I gathered, the wand of Anunebe has been handed over to the chosen king.
Oh, will that now make you to allow that strange woman from Uyo to be your successor? Oh no. You have practically lived all your life for Ezira Kingdom. It is time for you to make a demand.
And if I may ask, what demand?
Don't give your approval for her installation.
My approval is not even needed for her installation.
Just issue a statement that the queen must be a full-blooded daughter of Ezira Kingdom. I'll leave the rest to me, Shifogoro. Woman, why are you here?
There's someone I want you to make blind. And afterwards, kill her.
Who is this person?
Her name is Idara, the wife of Chukwuka.
And what is her offense?
She's standing in the way of my progress. She wants to take what rightfully belongs to me. I won't let that happen.
You want her to go blind? Or you want her dead? Which one?
Both. I want her to go blind now. Then afterwards, you kill her.
Blindness may pass freely, But when human life is involved, the repercussion will be very, very heavy.
I am aware, and I don't care.
Very well then. The charm in your hands can only be unleashed in the midnight.
Just tell me what you want, how you want it, and I will do it just like that.
In the middle of the night, take that charm to a place where no eyes will be able to see you. Open it and say exactly what you want. Blow it into the air, and whatever you want, I mean, the rest will be history.
Just like that. Thank you very much. Thank you. You don't know what you've done for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. How much will I pay you for your services?
That charm will do exactly what you want. But you will allow me gain access into your honey pot.
I don't understand.
It means what you know already. It will happen here and now. And no one will hear about it.
Honey?
Yes.
Who do you think sent the killers?
How kind of question is that, as if you don't know? Because it's a woman.
Exactly what I thought. But why is he doing all this?
Why are you asking questions that you have the answers to? The reason is not far-fetched. He wants to be king. That's why.
Why is this so impossible? Huh? The gods have already chosen who they want. They should just give it up already.
That is what a wise man would do. Give it up, but not a woman. He will not give it up.
If he's not careful, he'll end up incurring the anger of the gods on himself.
When foolish men refuse to stop, eventually forces stronger than them will stop them.
Are you planning something?
Like what? Like making Abba important. Oh baby, please. Play game, I beg. What's that? One is not that important. The only thing I'm planning right now is to ensure that I get everything ready for the coronation.
But you know we need to handle him first before stepping out.
Why? Why are you trying to make that man important? Abba cannot do nothing. Let's stop talking about a man whose time is over, has refused to accept it. Play, it's your hand. I'm going to whoop you today though.
You wish.
See, you see what you've done? You see what you've done? Go ahead.
Should I understand this to mean that you don't trust me?
Amokamaka, I am processing a lot of things on my head right now.
Okay.
My mood has nothing to do with lack of trust.
See, the more you hide it, the more clear it gets. Honestly, you are hiding something. Just tell me, what is it?
Something drastic is about to happen. Something heavy that those who hears about it in the morning will marvel.
Mama Ekedna, you're sounding weird. What will happen? Listen, if you're not going to talk to me now, I'm going to leave you here and go home.
Amman has decided to go all out.
You said?
He will solve the problem tomorrow. And Idara and her husband will no longer be a threat to us.
I'm curious. How has he decided to solve the problem? Why are you not talking?
As I blow this into the air, I want you to locate Idara wherever she is and make her blind tonight. And after that, kill her.
Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? Why are you pushing so hard? Why the desperation? No. Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? So stop the fighting. Stop the fighting. And embrace the truth. The gods have spoken. So you have to conquer. Stop. 'Cause 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 'Cause
Hey! Hey! I can't see. I can't see. Hey, Mbano. Hey! Hey! Somebody help me! Help! Help! I can't see. I cannot see. Somebody help me! I can't see. I cannot see. Help! Help me! Help me! I can't. No, now. Ow! Help me! I can't see. I cannot see. I cannot. Hey! No, now. I can't see. I cannot see. Hey!
Where did she go? I left her in the room before coming out. Chi? Chi? Can you hear me?
Can anyone hear me? Can anybody hear me?
Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods?
Honey?
Why are you pushing so hard? Why the desperation? No. Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods? So stop the fighting. Stop the fighting.
Stop him!
God has
spoken. Can you hear me? I'm on way. Is that you? Stop him! I'm finished.
The opinion of the gods. I
can't see. I've killed myself. What have I done to myself? Abi!
Why are you fighting someone chosen by the gods?
I can't see. Hey! I can't see my bamon.
Why the desperation? Why are you fighting?
I cannot see. I cannot see. Obi, are you there?
Mama Kamaka, I know you're a very intelligent woman. And therefore, you'll understand what I'm about to say right now.
You are sounding as if there is a problem.
Nne, we need to end it all. Honestly. Because this is not political as well thinking. The gods and the ancestors of this land are involved in it.
How can you say that? Wait, if you have become this weak, it therefore means that Idara will succeed in her quest to become queen.
Do you remember what I told you last night?
Have
you forgotten?
Yes, that Agbanwe and his wife has decided to go all out.
It has backfired.
You don't mean it. How do you mean?
Our late king, Ezudu, is fully involved from the land of the dead now.
You are confusing me the more.
Okay.
Wait, how did anyone see Ezudu?
My dear, the people that were sent by Agbanwe to kill Chukwuka and his wife were found this morning sleeping in Chukwuka's palace.
Fear. Has it gotten to the point of killing? Why were they sleeping?
My dear, they confessed that it was the king that knocked them out. And it was confirmed that that man happens to be Ezudu. Ne, we must end it here. Except we want to face untimely death. Lekwem, I don't want to die. I still love my life like this. Apobamo.
This is serious.
Stay there now.
20 minutes now we've been roaming inside this bush without result. I doubt she's inside this bush.
I have a feeling she's inside this bush. I don't know why I'm feeling like that, but...
So what do you want us to do?
Let's keep searching. Let's search more, yes. Let's keep searching.
I can't see a bar no more, no. Hey! Hey! Can anybody hear me? Hey! Eh? 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 Obim? Obim? Obim, is that you? Obim? Obim! 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 Obim!
She doesn't have to eyes. Are you okay? What happened to your eyes?
Obim, I lost them. I lost my eyes. I'm finished. I'm finished, Obim.
I'm so sorry. Chazo, stop! Chazo, come! What did it be? Chukwuka, I know you're responsible for this. I swear, you will put your...
I'm on where?
Why did you bring me here? We are almost succeeding.
We are not succeeding at anything. Rather, we are trying to destroy the same kingdom we claim to love. We have to stop it.
Ubano, have you joined them completely? Or why are you sounding this way?
He will be crowned king tomorrow. There is nothing we can do about it. We have to put an end to this.
I have no problem with that. He is the chosen of the gods and I have given up on that.
Same with the wife. She will be crowned queen tomorrow. There is nothing we can do about it.
Who says? My daughter has lost the man in the city. Chukwuka has no option than to marry my daughter to become the next queen of this land.
She's the chosen queen of Ezira kingdom. I am, hey, I am. No one can stop me. I am. She's the chosen queen of Ezira kingdom. I am chosen by the gods. I am. No one can stop me. I am. Oh, I am.
The beautiful Idara, the love of my life, the one who means the world to me, the one who shall be crowned Queen of Ezira Kingdom. Today, indeed, is your day.
Inem.
Yes, baby.
I am happy. Very happy. But at the same time, I am emotional too.
Why should you be? You should be happy, for the gods came through for you in spite of the plottings and machinations of the people that did not support you to become queen of this kingdom. You came out vindicated. You have so many things to be grateful for. It's your day to laugh. You have the last laugh now, and that's always the best laugh.
Inem, people of this kingdom lost their lives. They're gone.
never to return. You know, it's really terrible that people of Ezra Kingdom had to pay with their blood.
My wife, my life, I want you to know that those who are not here today to witness this great occasion were never destined to be here. They got what they wanted. The world is waiting for you, my darling, at the Obi of Kings to witness what would be a great coronation.
Chosen by the gods, I am no one can stop me. I am, oh, I am, ayo, I am, ayo, I am, ayo, oh, I am, ayo, I am. Yes, it I kingdom. Behold your queen, chosen by the gods, ordained by the gods. So whether you like her, whether you know like her, behold your queen, and behold your king. So whether you like her, whether you know like her, behold your queen. She's the chosen queen of Ezra Kingdom. Hey, no one can stop her. She's the chosen queen of Ezra Kingdom. Chosen by